For those of you who haven't seen my videos before, this is the Communications University of Zhejiang, where I've been working for 2 years. This is my third year starting, and yeah, I'm about to do the first lecture of the season. The season hasn't started yet. My actual teaching doesn't start until the 13th of September, but this is a one-off lecture. So this one-off lecture is going to be to students from the graduate school. They're not my normal students. This is a one-off. They asked me to do it specially, and that's why I've come in today. So I'm going to the cafe now, get a coffee or an orange juice or something. I've got half an hour before my class. "90 minutes done, and time to kick back and enjoy a coffee in the university coffee shop." So the speech I gave today, or the lecture, was about the development of the English language, from pre-Roman times and the Celtic language, and then how the language has developed through Roman and Latin, and the influence of the Anglo Saxons, the Vikings, the French, all the way up through to Middle English and up to modern English. And I think it went well. I used a lot of YouTube videos where people are singing in Viking and Anglo Saxon and Latin and French from the Norman invasion. And I don't know what the students made of it. They seem to be I don't know what the typical Chinese audience. They're very quiet, and they don't want to interact very much with the foreign teachers, but I did it. 90 minutes to the second almost. So I'm pretty pleased with that. Maybe I'll post my PPT somewhere and drop a link. And now I'm going to enjoy my coffee. Ooh.